Alright, let's get started. Yeah, I set my title here. Let's see. What is the title currently? So I'm gonna work on my bug bounty that I'm working on here today. Um, um, what? So this is gonna be. There's capacitor. Um, let's just do that. There we go. Um, make sure that the stream looks good. And I added Twitch chat, I think. Here, hold up. I'm a little off here. Let's move me just a little. And I'm going to put the chat down by my face. Cool. Alright, let's make sure this stream is good. Go to the old twitch.television. Make sure everything looks cool. Alright. Should go into the creator mode on Twitch. There we go. Alright. Title is good. The go live is not good. There. Well, I should have come to the Twitch part first before I started streaming, I guess. Anyhow, alright. So I'm working on this bug bounty. Find my Tmux window for it. This one? This is the one. Yeah, this is the one. Okay. So last time I was working on this, I had just successfully made the view show. It didn't look good, but it was showing. I was doing a little digging around. I think I might want to just use a pre-made camera view. I found a few. A lot of them are archived for some reason. This one's obviously not great looking, but very functional. Let's sort by the stars. That's the way to do it, right? Um, Alright, so gotta find one that actually is decent. This one looked okay, and at least simple enough to use. Hasn't been updated in quite a long time, but maybe that's okay. I might give this one a try just to see what it looks like. Um, Okay. So, I don't really need a face detector. That's okay. So, photo, Photoapparat, photo apparat. Apparat? I don't know, sounds French, perhaps. We are using Java currently. Don't need to include Kotlin support. Library works with both. Good. Okay, so if I remember, okay, let's try to just add this here and see if we can build the app. Dependencies. This is a... No, not those kind of dependencies. This kind of dependencies. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna add this. And let's do a build. How do I build? I think it's Ionic capacitor build Android. That should do it, right? Yes, this is success. It says can't launch Android Studio. To continue build Android Studio, I can configure it with Android Studio path. Okay. Which Android Studio? Yeah, so I could go in my... Didn't I have a mvarc I made in here? Is it not in here? It's in this one, isn't it? My test app? I think it was in my test app. Yeah, so wonder why it says that, because run was working. Well, I guess I'll just plug in my phone then and see if I can run it. Because... no. Hold up. It did build, actually, didn't it? It says build success. Ready to use, but I don't need to use it. So, that's fine. Okay. Let's see if we can use that. Sleepy Mondays. Need more coffee. Okay. I need to check. How do I actually use that? Let's just make sure we can run. And here we have our log catting. We were log catting over here. That's good. And what? It says to configure, do this. Do I need to like add a view? I need to add a view, right? Add a camera view. And then do that. And then you can take a picture. Okay, so I guess I need to add the camera view. Camera view is this camera view. I could just maybe... Did it launch on my phone? I check. It did not launch. It says fail because couldn't find photo apparat. So where is this uploaded? I mean, Maven. Do I have to search for it? Yeah, sure. Let's just see. What's it called? Yeah. So it is here. It says 2.2 is the latest. Or is 2.2 the only? Is this actually what I imported? Or 2.7. Where did they upload it? So it's here. Yeah. Yeesh. Where do you even search for Android packages? What's it called? Jetpack? Is that it? I am not sure. Central LSS. Maven repository. I feel like there's other ones, but I can't remember what they are. There's Google's Maven. I'm sure that's not where it is. Yeah. Maybe this will tell us. Or we can actually just go in here in their workflows. No, they don't have any workflows. Oh no. Okay, Travis. Ah, they have a Travis. Okay. They are bin tray. Bin tray. Does that have a searching? Can I search? Bin tray. Maybe we can log into your bin tray. But it's a public bin tray. JFrog? JFrog bin tray. How do I import that, huh? There must be like a public one. Like I'm sure they're using a public one because there's no way that this is private. Ah, JCenter. Maybe that's it, actually, I think. Getting started. Sign up for bin tray. Okay, hold up. Android JCenter public. Shutdown. Oh no. Is this uh-huh. That's not good. Check your build files. Let's just pop this in here and see if it just works, you know? That would be fantastic. Because I really don't want to mess around with this stuff too much. I don't know if this is the right place to add this. I'm really not sure. I usually would add it in. There would be another Gradle file, but I don't see any. So I guess we'll try that and see if it just, I mean, certainly doesn't look like JCenter is a thing anymore, so that's not probably gonna work. But let's see what happens. Oh, it's doing, no, it says, couldn't find it. Yeah, unsurprisingly. Alright, well, let's read through what this actually says. What to do? Determine, remove, when is this from? 2021. Oh, jeez. Okay. Is it still shut down? I'm gonna, do a little quick food shopping here, though. I have, food deliveries that I need to make sure I don't get weird foods from. Because it will automatically just send me things. And I might not necessarily want all those things. Yeah. Alright. I am just gonna add a few things to this cart, and then I'll hop back on the bounty. Kiwis? I'm gonna get some kiwis. Alright. Don't need those. So, okay. If maybe this one doesn't work anymore, that would be a bummer. We're gonna have to find something else. I mean, I would be fine using just one of these samples, I guess, but they do not have a very awesome UI for it. Like one of the other ones, it would be nice if I could use one of the other ones that already has like a nice view, you know? This one's like in some other, I don't know what language, maybe Chinese or Japanese. I'm gonna guess Japanese, I guess. And also quite old. Is there a way to say, like, not archived? Ah, not archived. Archived, no. Nice. Alright, back to this shopping real quick. Looking at the veggies. Looking at the veggies. Eggplant? No. Snacks. We're gonna get some snacks. Get a few different kinds. Oh, they got the human chocolate. Human. We could get some mango, but they're all out. Go for some raisins maybe instead, eh? Raisins are good, right? Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna say that's probably good. Good enough. Made sure they didn't give me too much weird stuff. And I think we'll say that that goal's accomplished. So, okay, back to finding some camera view that I can use, because I don't really want to make my own camera view. That sounds like a bad idea to me. Camera kit, Android. That was another one that I saw. Maybe I can try that one. What is... Ooh, that's quite some dependency list you got there. But let's see if it actually works, because the other one does not seem to exist, apparently. Yeah, let's see. Just include those dependencies and see what happens, eh? It says, could not find them. Now, why does it say that? Uh-huh. Maven. Whoa. Oh. Okay. Great. Camera kit. Uh-huh. Camera kit. Is this it? com.snap.camera kit? That is not it. But I'm kinda curious now what this is. Request access. That doesn't seem like the thing I want. It's like com.camerakit.camerakit. Why is this the only thing that exists? And where are these? Oh my goodness. This does not seem very active either, which is a problem. Let's go to these examples, I guess, see what they actually do, because this should have app build Gradle. Okay. Is that not where I am? Whoa, 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 whoa. What is this? Camera build Gradle. It's in here, right? In this source. It's in Android. And this one is in... has like a top level build Gradle, which is for the whole thing. And then it does have JCenter. JCenter doesn't exist anymore. Is this just another one that existed on JCenter? And so it's gone forever? What were they using here? Workflow, hey. Upload to where? And this is GitHub, I think. Right. Which... sure, I could... Wait, what? Oh. I was looking at the wrong one. Anyways, so that's fine. Okay. Go back to camera kit. Camera kit. Yeah. Okay. And this is doing what? Deploy snapshot. To where? JCenter? I guess. JCenter. Maybe it's in here. No, not in there. What am I doing? In one of these. This one, probably. Yes, but where? This does not seem like what I want. Just want to search. This does not seem like the way to do it. I thought this would be easier than building my own. Camera 2 API. Camera 2 API is what I want to use, isn't it? The whole problem was when I ran this before, it did not look like my view that I tried to create was looking very good. But I guess it could be for other reasons. So start preview maybe. is what I was looking at, and that's not working correctly. Print stack trace. You know, I think maybe I should open Android Studio. And so if I run this build thing again, I can get that. I'll just grab this. Make a diremv in here, and mvarc, and do this, and do that. And then do that. And then see if it will open. Oh, but it's not going to open successfully. You know what? I'm just going to open it manually because I have to run this. And I'm going to run it on this over here. Maybe, well, it doesn't strictly need to have OpenGL enabled, but that's fine. Cancel. No, don't open. I better just copy this path here. Is that even... No, that's not even it. It's this here. We'll just copy this path. Copy, 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 copy. There we go. Okay, let's just do this. Camera. Now, is this? Wait, no. I did want to open the other one, actually. Because that's where my test app is, and that's what I want to use. So, it's this Android, this folder. Yeah, fine. Trust. Give it the trust. Okay. Hedgehog. I don't even know what hedgehog is. Okay. Fine. It's loading. Alright. It's loading. Wow. Look at download all those sources. But you can't actually see. It's just down there. Oh, here we go. Now, I don't think I wanted to load all of those. So, what's going on here? Can I unload? How do you unload? File. Oh, jeez. No, I don't want to upgrade. I'm sorry. Is this even what I really want? I mean, this is how I debug, but I can't debug into the camera plugin this way. This is very annoying. Well, I'm gonna at least see if I can build this and see the log cat in here. Maybe it's helpful. I don't know. Gonna turn off charging. Can I turn off charging? Can I just have it not charge? Apparently not. Well, my phone's gonna have too much. Uh, okay. Hey. Well, that's cool. Um, there's no take picture, right? So, maybe this is helpful then. Maybe this is helpful, actually, because now I actually do have this stuff. Missing permissions required. Where did that add that? Manifest. Did it add in here? Okay. I don't know if actually request permission. Because if I do... Oh, crash? Try it again. So if I do take picture, it does ask for permission. Okay. Let's relaunch. Oh, ho, 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 ho. I see. Okay. It's just really tiny. The take picture box is way too big. Okay, so it's working. For some reason, the take picture box is too big. So let's fix that, hopefully. No, don't make inner class of it. I just want to put it in there. Yeah, put it in there. Yeah. Cool. All right. Now, not this one, but this one. The button. The button is way too big. Okay. So, frame layout. What's a frame layout? Frame layout. Fix. Firefox. Custom path. First listed. All right. Try it again. Whoa. Frame layout is designed to block out an area to display a single item. Ah. So, where is my texture view being added? You know what? I'm gonna just comment out the button. Okay. I don't really need the button anyway for now. And I just want to see the little camera. What is it saying here? Yeah, because why? Isn't it in the same package? Hey! Oh, thank you for the raid. All right. How's it going? Uh-oh. Maybe Nightbot's a little too harsh. Yeah, I can turn that down a little. Hello. Let me edit my Nightbot settings. I think by default it doesn't like too many emotes for some reason. I am working on a bug bounty for capacitor. CapacitorJS. This one here. So yeah, we like emotes. We like emotes. I'm gonna edit my Nightbot settings real quick. I think it's in spam protection. Let's just disable the excess emotes one. There we go. That should do it. Yeah, capacitor. So capacitor is interesting. This is a $350. It's not huge, but it's not nothing. So they want to be able to take multiple photos at the same time with this camera plugin. The way the camera plugin works right now, it just launches the like native camera app, which lets you take one picture and then you return to the calling app. So I'm working on getting like a little camera view. Yeah, if it doesn't take too long. Even if it does, I think it's still worthwhile because you know, help out some open source project and work on something interesting that you might not necessarily be doing if there wasn't money attached to it, you know? I've been a dev professionally since I graduated college in 2010. So 13 years. New. I was victim of the late year layoffs of 2023, as many others, I think, in the industry. Yeah, I worked for a startup. They were running out of cash. We'll see if they survive the year. It was a cybersecurity startup. Yeah, similar position. Sorry to hear that. That's a bummer. Yeah, it's rough out there, you know. A lot of people looking for work, so there's a lot of competition. Like, you know, every single position's got like 100+ people. Yeah, startups are a risk. It's true, but you know, usually more fun. That's why I was there. This one was not as fun. So I'm not super like really upset about not being there anymore, to be honest. I think better things ahead for me. Just gotta find it. Yeah, that's a bummer, Rusty. Rusty Boss Axe. It's a good name. Talking to the wall. Yeah, I can flip my camera. It's backwards anyway. Like, this is my left hand, but I think I probably will flip it. It's a good call. Flip horizontal? Yeah, flip horizontal. I'll just put myself a little bit over there. Hey. Nice. Thank you for that follow. Alright, well, have a good meeting. Yeah. That is better. Hey, nice. I reached my goal. Yay. Nice. Well, now I need to set a new goal. I'll do that later. Actually, maybe I'll do it right now. I don't think it's too hard. How do you do that? Go in the old Twitch settings? Stream manager? You know what? I think I found it. Start new goal. We'll set it to 50. Alright. Cool. Yeah, distraction by chat. Up till now, it's been less distracting, but thank you for that raid before. That's definitely helpful. I need to do some more of that myself. I started streaming last week, so pretty new. I'm giving it a try. I think it's been great for like keeping me a little accountable, for one thing. Actually work on the thing that I'm intending to work on, because, you know, I'm streaming it. So that's been great. And I've enjoyed the interactions with random people. Hey, thanks. Yeah, I'm pretty chill. Yeah, I'm excited to start on that. I think there's a lot of stuff, like, try to get a little bit of my name out there. I'm hoping it'll help with finding some work, is one of the things. Could turn into a job, I guess. We'll see. It's possible. But if not, you know, I think it's fun. It gives me something to do while I'm looking for some new work, and yeah. I've been enjoying it. Yeah, so I was just about to, before people came in, I was just working on this camera view, which I have it on my phone. I guess I can actually, I can do this, the old screen copy, which always pulls up a different, let's see, maybe I won't show that right now because there's nothing interesting, but once I have my, okay, yeah. LinkedIn's a kind of a strange place. But I will definitely take a look at your profile and give you an ad. Let me make myself a little note there. Open your profile here so I can remember to do that later. Cool. Yeah. I mean, I've been applying to like, at least 3-4 jobs a week since end of last year, pretty much. I mean, end of last year was not a great time to be looking for work. So many people were getting laid off. I keep hearing it'll pick up. So anyways, that's why I'm mostly like working on these little projects and trying to bolster my portfolio a bit, try to stand out from the competition. But there's plenty of positions on LinkedIn, that's for sure. Yeah. All right. So I'm getting this error here. Can find symbol, which it should be able to find because they're in the same package, I believe. Yes, they are. So why does it say that then? Maybe it's lying. It's not lying. Can't find it. Well, weirdly, I had this one. I had accidentally put it in here. Okay, see now it says it can't find it. There. Yeah. That doesn't make any sense. Alright, so now it seems like it should be able to find it. Maybe we just need to give it the old rebuild. Hold up. Let's put this over there. Yeah. I think it is Ionic build Android. That might fix it. Okay, did something. No? Cannot find symbol. It doesn't make any sense. It's in this same package. Yeah, I'll be streaming tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by. And I think it was you that raided, right? Yeah. Alright, well, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by and for the follow and the raid. All very appreciated. Hope you have a nice day. Thank you. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put some music on. It's so quiet in here. Let me get some music going. Kinda. What kind of music should I be listening to? Let's go for this one. I don't think I've listened to this one yet on stream. Ooh. It's a little too fast. There we go. There we go. That's better. Alright. So this should be working. That's the annoying thing. No, if I do that, it's gonna kill the other one. So I shouldn't do that. I need to figure that part out too, why it doesn't want... why that ADBs are different. So strangely, when I had this in the wrong place, it was working. And now it's in the place where it should be. This is properly showing, and it's not working. This does not have any tasks. Why don't I just like delete some folders? That's always fun, right? Where is it? It's over. I should make a new window here. Camera. Yeah. Is there like a... is it the dist? Nope. I think it's the build folder in there. Yeah, let's just blast that folder and see if it helps. I really don't usually think that helps, but it's worth a try, I suppose. Now we can do this build again. See if it does anything different. Yeah, that's fine. Alright. Actually, you know... where's that command? Oh, I just need to kill that, I think. Let's run it this way and see if it'll run. Oh, I didn't do run, I did build. Ah. Okay. I think this should run. It's doing something. Yeah. All right. Okay. This looks great, actually. It doesn't look great, but it looks pretty good. It looks kind of weird, to be honest. But it's working. I can do a little... let me see if I can... I can pull up my copy here just to show what's we got working with. Yeah, so oh look, it's my hand. Ooh, all right. So that's working, which is awesome. Does it work now if I hit this? I hope. Yes. Yes. Okay. Nice. Alright, so the camera's showing up, which is awesome. Okay, now I just need to make like a floating button to take a picture. The UI part of it is kind of going to be the annoying thing, because I don't really want to make my own UI for the camera. I would love if it just made... if I could just use, you know, one of those pre-built ones. Alright, alright. Mm-hmm. Alright, so I got rid of this button. How do I make like a floating button on top of this? Because this button takes up, for some reason. I mean, I shouldn't be using this frame layout. That's for sure. So, should be like on top of the other texture view. Android. Round button. Over layer. It's like it's a floating action button, basically. Well, those should be easy to add. Floating action button. Aha! There's a whole class on it, eh? It's a whole thing. So is this what I want? I don't know. I'm gonna do a little research over here. Alright. Alright, let's see if this helps at all. No. No. I can't do that. Show context actions, import class. Sure. See if that does, it says it will fix it, but I'm still not sure if I believe that. And what did I do to actually make it work before? Did I have to, I had to do this running. That fixed it. All right. Oh, okay. Yeah, so that looks good. There's this little drawer and I can slide it all the way up. I wish that there was a way to just slide it all the way up, though. But it seems to be working nicely. Oh, man, I wish there was a way that you could not charge, but also have ADB on. I know a way. I'm going to turn on wireless ADB. It's a little risky. I hope I don't get hacked. But I'm going to go for it. Where are the developer settings? System? Developer options. That's the spot. Yeah. Allow. Okay. And then I have to do like a ADB connect. Is that my IP address? Hope I don't get hacked. No, that's not it. I get a follow? Hey, thanks for that follow, Bleeding. Appreciate that. Gotta find my IP address real quick on my phone. What do we got? Where do you get this? Network details. Should be in network details, right? No? Go in my settings. Wi-Fi and network. I think it's in here somewhere. Oh, is Java my main language? Oh, okay. Yeah, I need to do some raids myself. Java is not really my main language, but I've done a lot of Java. Next stream is tomorrow, same time, same place. I've done a lot of Java. When I first started learning programming, that was like one of the first languages I learned in high school. It's not my favorite, but I've done bunches of it, and Android is Java. Java and Kotlin, but this project I'm doing the bounty on, they don't use Kotlin, it seems. At least not from what I've seen. It's like all Java in here, so we're doing Java today. How do I find my IP address in here? Thought it was just at the bottom of this screen. Settings. No. What's my favorite? My favorite. Well, I like me some Python and Go. It might be surprising, but I definitely have enjoyed C. Yeah. It's Signal. I feel like I should mute it, huh? We can just quit Signal. Yeah, I have a group chat on there. We should get quiet that down. All right, I found it. There we go. Connection refused. Why? Why connection refused? C is a lot of fun because you can do like whatever you want. Like sometimes in other languages you want to get down to the, you know, guts of things, right? And it's not always easy. But in C you can just like straight program assembly, no questions asked, if you really wanted to. Sometimes that can be fun. Sometimes it's not so fun. Dealing with pointers can be a pain. But I like the raw freedom that you get with C. I should be able to connect to this. Why is it saying that? Because I'd really like to not have my phone charging since it's at 100%. That would be awesome. Am I running the wrong command? Isn't this adb connect? No? What the hell? I mean, I just used it the other day. Well, I know it won't, but I don't know. I just don't like charging it all the way to 100, and maybe I'm old school. Like on my last phone, I had it rooted and it was set up to like turn off the battery charging at 80%. I could use simulator. I don't know. Simulator is a little slow for me. It's kind of janky. Plus I'm doing camera stuff, so I don't know if it works too well with camera in the simulator. I might need to install the like Genymotion one. I could try that. But for now, I'll just do it over wired, I guess. That's fine. Let me turn off my wireless debugging though, because shouldn't really leave it on if I'm not using it. It's, well, I'll give it a shot. We can see what it looks like. It's gonna be a little weird. Give it a moment. Oh, 3D room. Very nice. So Quelfin, you asked what my favorite language is. What about you? What do you like to do? Gonna restart this. Yeah, cool. I need to add the permission request for that. This is not a 3D room here. Exclusively programs bullshit. Nice. Alright. Well, I guess that's good enough. I can take a picture of that. Cool. Okay, then if I restart, it should... That's the iPhone simulator. C#. Ah, you see? Look at that. Now I just need to make some more UI for this. But that's working. Beautifully. So beautifully. My take picture button looks dumb though. It's whatever. We'll leave it for now. We need to actually make it do something though. So when we take a picture, we need to like actually take a picture. Yeah. I don't know. We're using Pixel 3a API 34. This is just the one that like default started. So yeah, I've done C# professionally for a while. C#'s cool. For web, C#'s alright for web. I think it was not that good when I was doing it, and it's gotten a lot better. Especially after they open sourced .NET. I stopped doing a lot of .NET like right around when they open sourced it. But I think that's been really good for the ecosystem. So yeah. Actually, let me leave that there. And I need to look up how to actually take a picture here. Is this a safe to open link? Oh, okay. Interesting. That seems like it would be cool. I guess I could just like take a surface, take a picture of the surface, right? Can get like just the... Well, here, let me do this. I'm gonna... How do I go home on this thing? Let me open the actual camera and see if it does that. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe it's a setting. I don't... It doesn't matter, honestly, right now, though, because, this... Yeah, maybe it's a Pixel 3 problem. I don't know why. Pixel 3 was the default. Like... that Android Studio made when I did new device. I thought it was weird. I was like, you know what? I don't actually probably care, so I left it. But yeah, yeah, it's not important for what I'm doing. In fact, probably better because I would most likely want this whatever I'm making to work on older devices too. It is such a weird picture. It's like a little 8-bit, what, I don't know. Is it supposed to be like somehow Android related? It's kind of hilarious. I'm gonna move chat down a little. Let's move it down just a little. That's better. Yeah. Alright. So, create capture request. I think I could do... I'm pretty sure you can do create capture request with a single and get like a single picture. What is this? Um, still capture. Yeah. Let's check that real quick. Doesn't exist. Why? Camera device. Camera device. Let's look it up. Create capture request. Yeah. What? Why is that one first? Guess. Is that the one I'm using there? No, I'm using the one single argument one. So that's fine. Okay. Still capture. Create a request suitable for still capture. Specifically. Okay. Oh boy. Gotta restart the musics. Can't have that. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. There we go. Oof. A little too loud. Maybe just a bit quieter. Yeah. Alright. I don't know if I can have multiple capture requests at the same time, though. I'm gonna try it. Actually, I'm gonna do 0 shutter lag. This is that support private pre-processing. You know what? I'm just gonna go for this one for now. Yeah. So surround it with a try-catch then. How do I actually just save a picture? Camera device, camera capture session. Is that it? So one thing I need to do also is actually request that permission probably. Alright, whatever. Ignore that for now. Capture single request. So you get this capture session when you create the capture session. And you do that by doing, okay, so you have to build that, and then you can do this. But I don't know if I can do them at the same time, so let's find out. I don't know if I need to add any targets. Okay. How do you just tell it to save it to a file? I don't want to set it to a... No. Maybe in the camera samples we can see if there's something in here. Hey? Oh boy. Set repeating request. Okay, capture button. Aha! Take photo. Yes. Save result. Alright. Where's save result? Result. Combined capture result. Take photo. Okay. That seems a little verbose. But that might be what I need. Except it needs to be some Java code, probably. Okay. Is this only in Kotlin? Because I don't really want to translate it myself. Yeah. Let me just see if I can find a Android camera 2 device. Camera device. Let's say capture. Save. No. File. Good old free code camp. It's Kotlin. Well, let me see if I can find one that's not. What is this? Somebody just like has the Android? What? Why? Why did they do this? What is your deal? I'm gonna go look at this person's GitHub because this is ridiculous. Why did they make this? Why did they do this? I want to know. Aha! Some good old Java. There we go. Alright. capture. So these, they are not setting the texture surface view. Is it? No, add target, image, reader, get surface. Ah, okay. Image reader. Image reader, huh? Okay. I can make that. Let's put it over here. Mm-hmm. And then let's make it here. Sizes for JPEG? Sizes. Best get output sizes. Okay, so I need to do it in the place where I'm getting that. Alright. Cool. Image format. JPEG. Max images 3. Okay. Whoa. I didn't want to do that. Alright. So hopefully this is good. And then what did I need to do next? Add it. I need to add it to the list of surfaces, right? I can't add it until I make the request, right? Which I'm gonna do here. There we go. Yeah. Set on available. We can just set it. Your code goes here. Maybe just after I make it. Can't save it. Be nice if I could just save it somewhere. Is this like a readable? Acquire latest image. Alright. What is this? Auto closable. Can I save it? I just want to save it somewhere. Uh-huh. That's the end of the tutorial. No. There it is. So. A plane? Wait, what was it called? Media image. To stream? Yeah. Um. Oh, this is better than that other site. I think I've seen this before. And look at that. Switch it to Java. That's helpful, but not actually what I need to know. Just need to know how to save it. Get planes. Uh-huh. Ah. Aha. Well, that is perhaps what I need. Oof. Seems unnecessarily complicated. Hmm. Didn't I set it to, like, JPEG? JPEG. Get output sizes for JPEG. Hmm. Well, I don't think this is exactly gonna work. I think I need to do this. Hmm. Is that really? I guess that is what I want. Why does it always... What is this? Output sizes returns an array. List of sizes compatible. Okay, so 0 is just like the biggest one, probably. That's fine. Alright. I don't really know... I don't think I need that to be outside of here. Get planes. Get the array of pixel planes. Number of planes is determined by the format of the image. I mean... Does it only have one plane? Alright, so I need to do something with that. Uh-huh. I guess I probably need to do some converting. Say camera device. Just want to save it. Oh. Process image. So we should probably... Why does it say... Secret picture taker. Get buffer. Save. Okay. I guess I can do that. Save where? Where does it save it? In this case. Output, stream, save, bytes. Output is null, new file, file. File? File is? Ah, okay. Yeah, well, that's fine for now. I can do this way. This is not ideal, but I just want to see if I can get this stuff working. You know? Just want to see if I can get it working. I might need some permission for this. I kind of feel like this isn't going to work exactly like this. Alright, so this... On image equals on image available. Well, we can just do like a good old save image here. Was it a byte buffer? Bytes. It's just bytes. It's just bytes. You know what though? I could do it this way with a byte buffer. We can just convert it in there. Are you telling me Java doesn't have bytes unless you import bytes? No, 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 no. What was it? Get buffer. As read-only buffer? That's fine. Why doesn't it like this? We're just gonna slap that in there. Output stream. We're just importing everything. Throws IO exception. Okay. We'll add the throw. Actually, it was this. Should cover them both, right? No? Mm-hmm. Hey. We're just gonna do that. Okay. Now, let's review. We get the size. And then we make the reader. And then we set up the reader, the on-available listener. And we get an available one. Is this on image available? Okay, that should... But I'm only taking a single picture. It should only happen when I click take picture. Is this the right way to do that? Exactly. Take picture. Yeah, this is setting it up on a take picture. Yeah, okay. Add target. And then I need to do like a capture session. What's it doing here? Capture request, capture builder, capture session. Capture session. Create capture session. Yeah, it is doing it in there. Okay. So capture session. Request dot build. What does this do? Comma null, comma null? What is it saying? Why is it angry? Does it need a try catch? Provided, required, list, set, oh, wait, this is something else. Oh, okay, I see. I didn't do it quite right. This is not it. This is not what we want. So, the surface we want is this one. And then oh no, my music. Yeah. Create new capture, and we can say new camera cap session dot state callback. And what does it want? It wants me to implement methods on configured. What's all this? Get that out of here. Cannot resolve. Yikes, hold up. Should this is the same as what I'm doing, isn't it? Surface. Surface. Yeah, that's fine. Why is it saying that it doesn't like it? Is it because I'm not doing anything in these methods? It's like the same. Oh. Comma null. Nice. Alright, great. So on configured, then we want to... We'll just do the same thing here. We're not going to do that, actually. We're just going to say capture. Capture single request. And what do we want? We want the request build. Null, null. And this needs a try catch. And is this what? So what am I supposed to do? Just dot capture? Okay. Capture callback? Maybe I do want to capture callback. I don't know. They're doing one here or not? This one is doing a capture callback. Well, I'll want one at some point, but I think for now I'm gonna ignore it. And okay, now this is in take picture. We're making our request. We're doing a capture. The image surface. Where's my image? Image reader. No. This guy. Didn't I set on image available? Save image. Okay. So that might work. It might work. Nope, that's the wrong target. Why don't we just do this, because I think it'll figure out the right target anyway. We building? We building. Yeah, launch that app. Let's go like this for now. Then I wanna rerun my app. Alright, what happens if I click take picture? It's gonna be angry, isn't it? Interesting. I wonder what that did. Shoot, how do I explore the device? There's like a file viewer, isn't there? Device manager. One of these buttons somewhere, isn't it? Better check the log cat. No array. Alright, try that then. Actually, don't know. I might have to redo this here this way, because I don't think it rebuilds properly if I don't. Which is fine, but annoying, but fine. And external storage directory is not probably where I want it. And you want to put it in the pictures, don't I? Is there like a get pictures? I thought. Maybe that. Yeah. I think this is what I want, but I need to look up the way to tell it I want it in the pictures directory. Environment directory pictures. Ha ha ha. This is not the proper way to do it, kids. Sometimes that's how it goes. Are we launching? Oh, nice. It's down there. Perfect. I don't know. Oh, I forgot to choose the one that I wanted. API 34? If that's what you mean. Oh, it's Ubuntu. It's Xubuntu, and I installed i3 on it. So this is i3 window manager. And down here this is Polybar. Processor, I got a 16 gigs of RAM, DDR4, 2 DIMMs. I got a i5 8600, I think it is, or a 6800. 60. What is it? I might have those numbers flipped. And a GTX 1060, 6 gig. We're due for an upgrade. Yeah, likewise. Alright, so it still doesn't like this buffer array. I mean, was it unsupported operation exception? How is that an unsupported operation? Like, I want to turn my byte buffer into an array of bytes. How could that possibly be unsupported? That's some bullshit. Is this not what that other example on Stack Overflow was doing? No, it's not. Okay, well, because I just made up my own thing. Let's do it this way then. Huh? Yeah, sure. Uh-huh. Okay. I'm still, rather not feeling like this is gonna work the way I want, but I should at least not have that same exact crash. Did my music stop, or is it just quiet? No, it's just a new song. Yeah, what? I should have Neo Fetch, don't I? I don't have Neo Fetch. You know what we can do? We can do the, yeah. I bet this'll do it. I don't know if NeoFetch actually shows you your processor. 8600. There you go. Oh. We got, i5 8600K, 16 gig memory, and 1060 6 gig. Yeah, agreed. Alright, I seem to have frozen. Is it doing something? Check the, where would it be? SD card, pictures, or maybe DCIM? Let's see. Hey, there's something here. Whoa now, that does not look quite right. But that's good. We're making some kind of progress here. And it seems to have frozen when I did that, so that's fun. Interesting. Yeah, I'd really like to upgrade, like, just all my parts, honestly. Like, DDR5 is a thing now. 40 series cards have come down in price. And the new Intel processors are pretty sweet. I mean, I was thinking I'd go AMD, but I don't know. Intel's putting up a good fight. Alright, so I think my second capture session is breaking this one. So the pictures are hilarious. Oh man. Alright. I think... Yeah, well, that's true. But... I'm not sure... I mostly went Intel at the time. 8th gen, it was pretty clearly in the lead, performance-wise, when I bought this one. Nowadays, I think it's pretty much just you could do whichever you want, so that's a nice place for the market. I'm definitely leaning more towards AMD. I've had AMD in the past. Before this processor, I had a... what was it? Like a... FX something? It was like one of the not good AMD chips, though. It was not great. I was glad to get a nicer upgrade, but nowadays, I think you can get... yeah, FX was terrible. But it did the job, honestly. Like, if I didn't know that it was bad, you know, before I looked it up, like, years later, because back then when I was building PCs, I didn't really, like, I just assumed that, if I bought a processor, it was gonna be, like, fine. So I just went with AMD, but the FX apparently was just terrible. So, oh well. I'm glad that now things are like pretty even. You can actually just buy either one pretty much and be okay, I think, for whatever you want to do. A lot of the differences are kind of in the noise. Ooh. Oh, PCI. What do you, got some, like, capture card in there or something? Dual GPU. Oh, dang. You doing some AI over there? Oh, holy shit. That's so beefy. Just play Minecraft. Yeah, need the extra GPU to render more chunks. Extreme render distance. Oh wow, 6 monitors. This is serious business. I'm over here with just 2, like a noob. Mm-hmm. Gotcha. How do you manage? You must have, like, monitor arms or something. That's a lot of monitors. Like, your rig must be pretty impressive. I'm a little jealous. Sounds awesome. A 6 monitor arm. Like, bolted to the floor. So clearly my image is flipped to the side, which is terrible. It's also, it's not showing the full image for some reason. Oh yeah, that's a pretty sick setup. And you got a MacBook over there too. Wow. It's actually not too expensive. 215? It's like less than I thought it would be. Couple max. Damn. Alright, so clearly I'm doing something wrong here about this one of these things. And also, I need the preview to continue working after you take a picture, because that's no good. Yeah, well, if all you're doing is a little iOS dev for your contracts work, you know, you don't need like a full, like, you could do that on a cheap Mac too. So like a secondhand cheap Mac, I think that'd probably be the way to go for what you're talking about. Like a Air even, you know? I don't think you need like a MacBook Pro. Yeah, well, you'll need to get one of the Apple Silicon chips someday, probably. I would assume, if you wanna. Yeah, yeah. I think it's this thing, this surface. I'm not like setting the size correctly, probably. I don't set any default buffer sizes here, do I? I did set the size, though. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for that. I'll do that after stream, probably. I have some work to do on that, setting things up. Do a little branding. Wonder if I can set a breakpoint here. It's a lot to get a handle on, I think. Yeah, it's rough. But you gotta keep talking, because you gotta at least practice, you know, so that when people come in, you don't just, not staring at yourself, right? I think it's, definitely good practice, too, like, talk about what you're working on, just like in general as a programmer, you know? So I've been kind of trying to embrace that side of it. I think I'm calling this correctly. So I don't know why it looks like these are... Can I check the size? Can I... How do I download this? Terminal? Got a terminal over here? Ooh. What is this? Oh, okay. Picture, let's just move it to, nope, pictures. I'm gonna look at it over on my other screen over here. I want to know what, like, the attributes of this file are, because it looks weird. It is the right size. I think it just, for some reason, it's like rotated. Oh, hello. I am working on a bug bounty. Hi, programmer. 12340. I'm working on this bug bounty. Basically, there's this project called Capacitor, and they have a bunch of plugins for their mobile apps. So basically, Capacitor is like Cordova. I don't know if you're familiar with Cordova either. I guess just lets you run like kind of web technologies in the mobile device space. So Capacitor has a bunch of like different native to the mobile spaces like Android and iOS. They call them plugins. One of these plugins is camera. So somebody wanted to be able to take multiple photos. They made a feature request. Like right now with the camera, I can show actually if I open it up. Yeah, Cordova. Cordova's still around. So this take picture thing here, this is what it would usually do. You take your picture. This is like the native camera app on this device. So once you take your picture, then you move back to the app. So they wanted to be able to take more than one picture before exiting the camera. So I'm working on that bug bounty. It is $350 if I complete it. But also, just whether I do or not, I'm looking for some experience in some different projects and just find something to work on. You know, it's sometimes hard to find stuff to motivate yourself, and no, well, kinda. This is I'm looking for work, and this is what I'm working on while I look for work. Trying to get into the open source community a bit more. So I'm working on some stuff like this. I also have another project I work on stream. Experimented. Experienced? Yeah. Bug bounties are cool. It's fun to just, like, you know, I've never worked on Capacitor, right? just like hop into some random project and like start trying to hack on it. It's kind of fun. I like doing that. Yeah, but programmer, I got laid off late last year, and so I've just been looking for work. I've been trying to be a little choosy. I'd really like to, like, you know, previously in my career, I've just kind of just take like the first thing that comes along, trying to be a little more choosy, and so I'm taking a little bit of time to try to find something that I'll really enjoy, and working on open source stuff and stream the journey so people can follow along, and yeah, that's where I'm at. Oh no, it was just getting into a good part. I gotta my music keeps stopping. It's really annoying. There we go. Maybe someday I'll fix that, but it's not so annoying that I need to fix it immediately. Maybe tonight I'll do that. See if I can figure it out. How about you, programmer? What kind of programming you like to do? What is it that I want to search for? It's like, I'm doing the single capture, right? Capture still capture. Why is it rotated? Ha ha ha! Glide? Interesting. Okay, cool. So it was in the save file. I should do that, I think. Save image. Yeah. All right. So let's just throw that there. Parent. Get window manager. Okay. Orientations. Get. Okay. Okay. Camera characteristics, sensor rotation. Okay. JPEG orientation. Alright, maybe I should actually read through some of this instead of just scrolling a bunch. Yeah. Set the behavior. Huh. So I just comment that out while I look at this for a second. It was in the set capture request, right? Create capture request. Capture builder dot set capture request JPEG orientation. Right. Okay. Request dot set. Okay. Ah. And what do you set it to? Good question. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, I'm gonna be right back, actually. Alright. Sorry about that. Had to check on something. So, yes. We need to get the orientation. Get the orientation. And how do you get the orientation? Need to create Guess I can just plop that in there. Okay. But okay. So what do you need to get the actual orientation with the sensor? To translate from the device orientation given by the sensor API, which are not external. Yikes. This is exactly the kind of stuff that I didn't want to have to put in here, because if I could just use one of those like already made camera kits, you know, but those ones weren't working too well. They haven't been maintained for the ones that I saw, unfortunately. So here we are. All right, which means we need to get this orientation somehow. What does this say? Get the yeah, sensor orientation, get orientation. Okay, so am I saving the context here? I think I am. So that means I can do like get orientation somehow, right? I don't remember exactly what I need. What are we gonna call it? Is this it? Need the activity. Can only get it from the activity? Create window context? Get application context. That is not what I want, I think. I need the activity. How do you get the activity from the... I'm not sure I can, actually. Get activity. Get application context? Okay, but I want to... Well, hold up. Because I think I might be able to just get... Okay. Yeah. Display context. Nice. Well, that's not nice. Window manager. Window. I wonder if window. Get system service. Ah! Where'd it go? Window service. Yeah, that should do it. Why is it... docs seem a little broken. Window manager. I mean, that is what I want, right? Get window manager. Okay, so we can say window service, context window service. Yes, good, good. Window manager. This is a little messy. Yeah, give it a cast. Cast it. Cast it real good. Should just return that. And then there was another thing it was supposed to do. Camera service? No, I already have one of those, don't I? Characteristics, sensor orientation. Have a camera thing, right? Not that kind of camera thing. Camera manager. I don't have a camera manager. Do I need a camera manager? We can add one. Yeah, camera manager. I'm just gonna make it whenever I make that camera device. It was like system service, camera service, right? Something like that. Okay. Unless I can just get it from there. No. And I don't think I need to have this here, actually. Let's do it. Oh, wait. Camera manager. I already have one. Why don't I just set this to that and then do this way, because I can. Oh, I'm already doing this stuff anyway. Okay. So then should I need to do it in this take picture. So let's just make another method real quick. Whoa, now. Get camera ID. Return. We'll just return. Camera ID. I think I'm always... Was I just doing 0? Get camera characteristics. Camera ID. Oh... Well, I'm gonna make this... Can I refactor? Introduce field. Yeah. Okay. Let's return 0. I don't know if that's quite the right thing to do. Unboxing may produce null pointer exception. Do I care? Ask me if I care. Interestingly, it does not say that here. Neat. Actually, maybe this is why. That's not why. Whatever. So now we have phone orientation and camera orientation. And we can get the JPEG orientation based on that, I guess. Get device rotation. Device rotation is what? Again, in this context? Surface rotation equals get device rotation. Now you can use the device rotation to fetch the surface rotation. Calculate the angle. Well, this is just what's on the Android dev, isn't it? Okay, so if I pass this, so maybe I don't need this here. We can say int rotation equals get JPEG rotation, and we're gonna need this, and we're gonna need this. So we can slap that there. We can pass it in there, and we can get the phone orientation. And then we can just give it to that. And it will magically work. And we don't need this. Okay. Let's give it a run. Launchy, launchy. Yeah. Look at this guy. He's boogieing. He likes the tunes, I think. Alright, take picture. Excellent. Now, is it still rotated? Did I rotate it in some other direction? Nope. Oh, man. Well, I think I'm going to wrap the stream up because I'll have to figure this out, and I have some other stuff I need to do. Let me see if I find somebody to raid, though. Who can we raid? Let's go find somebody. Somebody in the software and game development. Should we raid the Primogen? Let's raid a smaller streamer, eh? Let's go for somebody with not too many viewers. Let's go for web dev for beginners. Extracting, roguelike, hacker rank. Somebody small with just one viewer. Let's go for this person. How do you raid somebody, huh? I think I gotta go to like the Twitch dashboard to do it. Manage stream? Raid. There we go. Alright, we're gonna go for this person. TX2 Meh. We're gonna give him a raid. Nice. Give this guy some viewers. Looks like they have a call-in. They have a phone number you can call? Cool. Alright. Well. I am gonna be done for the day. Enjoy your rest of your day, folks.